316,000 people attended Masaru Fukuyama's free live concert. Surprise firework to Nagasaki Stadium City opens on the 14th. For watching it live today, at the end of this video, we'll share some video clips. The opening ceremony of Nagasaki Stadium City, which will open on the 14th, was held on the 13th Fukuyama's hometown, Nagasaki City, with a total of 316,000 people attending, including a P Stadium. While live viewing and the app, the free live concert was realized when Fukuyama, who is also the creative producer of Nagasaki Stadium City, approached the venue saying, "If possible, I would like to create an exciting live concert that people will talk about for decades to come." Many people participated from the various locations, including P Stadium, the Happiness Arena, and live viewing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel on YouTube and Facebook.